Nataka viongozi ambao wamefanya maendeleo.
As politics ahead of the 2027 general elections continues to gain momentum in the Mount Kenya region, government leaders have intensified efforts to win the support of the residents while condemning politics of tribalism and division. Speaking during a Mount Kenya caucus meeting that brought together cabinet secretaries, principal secretaries and more than 1,000 Nyumba Kumi elders from Kiambu County, the leaders said the Mount Kenya region will play a crucial role in the upcoming election. CS William Kabogo criticized divisive politics, urging leaders to avoid statements that could fuel hatred and instead promote national unity. On his part, Energy PS Alex Kamau Washira said they are making deliberate efforts to regain the government's support in the Mount Kenya region.
60 years old, na maneno inatoka kwa mdomo yako ni matusi tupu. Why don't you just speak, say yours and go? Tunaona Ulaya wanatukuanga debe, anakanyanga, anasema yake yote na anaenda bila matusi. Sasa wewe kutuambia huyu aliua huyu, you have evidence and you are not going to report to the next police station. What are you doing? You have become a rumor monger or a comedian. Crime is reported in the police station, recorded in an OB. So if you know who killed Raila, why are you telling us? Who else was killed when you were deputy president? Because you seem to know a lot.
We are reminding our people that we have a lot to celebrate within the government of William Samoei Ruto, and let us reap what we can within the administration of William Samoei Ruto. And we're also telling our people, because we had grassroots leaders spread across Kiambu County, that they should go and spread the good gospel of what the president has been able to do.
All right, and with that, we take another break here on KTN News Desk.